Okay, so and today on circles we are going to look at the locus of a point. Okay, so from our definition up here we see that the locus is the path traced out by a moving point. So say for example we have a point A and it is 2 centimeters from point C. Well, as A moves, the path it is going to trace will form a circle, as we can see here. So we're placing our compass 2 centimeters on C, and we see as we move A, it forms a circle. So basically, the locus of the point A is always a circle. And let's just mark in the point A there. Okay? Okay, so we want to show that if AP equals 5 times the length of BP, that the locus of P is a circle. So we begin by working with the information that we have, which is this bit here. Okay, so first off, and solving into our distance formula then, well, AP is going to be equal to the square root of x minus 12, so that's x plus 12, all to be squared, plus y2 is y minus 0, all to be squared, and that is going to be equal to 5 times the length of BP, which is the square root of x minus 0 to be squared, plus y minus 0, all to be squared. Okay, and so just to get rid of our square root signs, let's square both sides. So we'll square here and we'll square here, and so this gets rid of that part there, and I'm just left with the 5 squared. So here we have x plus 12 to be squared plus y squared is equal to 25 times x squared plus y squared. Okay, and let's tidy it up. So this will give us here x squared plus 24x plus 144 plus y squared is equal to 25x squared plus 25y squared. Now, so bringing everything over to one side, so these will all cancel, and we're going to get, well, 25x squared minus x squared is 24x squared plus 24y squared minus 24x minus 144 equal to 0. And just again to tidy it up, let's divide across by 24. So that's going to give us x squared plus y squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is clearly an equation of a circle, because it's of the form x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fx plus c equal to 0, where, if you remember, minus g minus f is the centre, and the radius is equal to g squared, the square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So therefore we can see that the locus of P is a circle. Just my 3 dots for therefore, with a centre, well, minus 1 divided by 2, well, 1 divided by 2 is a half, and minus by minus is a plus. No coefficient of a y, and then c, so that's the centre, and the radius is equal to the square root of a half squared, which is a quarter, plus 0 minus 6, or minus 6, which is plus 6. So the radius is equal to the square root of 6 1/4, which is 2.5. So we have shown fully that it is the locus of P is a circle, and always at the end to write down what the centre of it and the radius of it is for completion's sake. Okay, so let's make sure that we get these notes written down into our copy.